Analyzing assemblies for interference. Here I have just a simple assembly. I have a base plate and two bolts. As you can see, the bolts are missized and they're running in each other intentionally, so you can visualize this. But we're going to check for interference. To do this, we're going to go up to the Inspect tab and we're going to analyze interference. We're going to check define set number 1, which is going to be our base plate. So I'm going to pick on set number 1, and then I'm going to pick on defining set number 2. I'm going to pick both of these hex head bolts. I'm going to say OK. It'll come up and say that it has found some total interference were detected, and it gives the volume of that. Now I can kind of go over here and pull this over a little bit. If I come down here and check on the threads down here, the interference type, you can see that it has part 1 and part 2, and it says basically the volume is this much, and it has the centroids are located here as well. So essentially here, what I did is I had a 1/2 inch hole and I put a 9/16 bolt through there. So I do have some interference on this particular bolt. So this tells me then that I need to fix something. And so in this case, I already know I need to make my hole size either bigger or I need to make my bolt size smaller. So this is how I detect interference. And again, this is an assembly. We're going to go up to inspect and go to analyze interference. We're going to define one set, then another, and it'll tell us the total amount. And then I can drill down a little bit and tell us how much that is by each part. So this is analyzing assemblies for interference.